Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a PHP project on GitHub. First, create a GitHub account if you don't already have one at github.com. Then, open your PHP project folder in your code editor. Next, initialize Git by running git init in your project's root directory. Add your project files with git add and commit using git commit -m, quotation mark, initial commit, and quotation mark. Now create a new repository on GitHub without initializing it with a README. Then, link the local repo by using the code that you can see on your screen. Now push your code using git push -u origin master or main, depending on your branch. Visit your GitHub repo to verify that your PHP files are uploaded. Next, use GitHub Pages or link to a host if you need live deployment beyond GitHub storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.